Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cats All Create and welcome back. So this is, I guess, a quick chit chat. I wanted to, I guess, apologize for some of the stuff. I haven't, I've uploaded and not uploaded, and I don't know, I'm like so behind. I've been trying to join some of these challenges. My kids just went back to school yesterday. I was able to do a product review video yesterday, which I still haven't uploaded. I'll probably be doing that today or tomorrow. Today I woke up and I don't know, it's what's wrong with me. I guess sometimes when the weather changes, like I get some kind of allergy. I don't know. When it gets cloudy and rainy, it's just like my allergies, like, oh no. Anyway, so I just did some project shares as well, and my voice might sound off, so I do apologize for that. Alicia, I don't know how you do it. How do you do it being so not feeling so good, and just you're up and giving us a smile, and I can tell in your eyes that you just don't feel too well, and I don't know how you do it. I applaud you for that, for being so strong. But you know, take care of yourself, Alicia. We want you. We want to see more videos of you, but we also want you to be healthy when you're, you know, just get the needed rest that you need. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys something. I just did a project share, and basically, a while back, I had printed these. This is a template I found on Pinterest, and I love it because it makes beautiful bows. Now, so I copied it. As you could see, this is the white paper, and I basically glued it on a 1/10 cardstock, and this is what I use as a template. Let me show you the flower I wanted to show you, or the bow, I'm sorry. So you guys will be seeing this on a project share or product review or whatever, and look at how cute. I love it. Anyways, I hope I'm in frame. Anyways, so this is what I basically do. I've been doing some of these bows. Just basically I put it on my scraps of paper, the ones I have extra that, you know, and I just basically trace it and cut over it. And once it is cut, let me try to see if I could cut one now. Right now I'm looking for a good pair of scissors, can't find them. So anyways, this is, oops, sorry, oh my goodness, this is how bad I'm not. Anyways, so these allergies, I don't know where they come from. I don't know why the weather brings them upon. I thought it was because I was in Arkansas, all that pines or something, but apparently I get them here too. So I don't know what's wrong. And you guys might think it's crazy though, you know, because the weather changes. This is how I feel. I don't know. So I've been trying to, this morning when I woke up, my eyes got swollen. I just haven't been feeling good today. Yesterday after I was so happy my kids went to school yesterday, I was so excited. I went to Costco, did some grocery shopping, came home. My day flew so fast. By the time I realized, I had to go pick up my son at the bus stop, and then by the time I picked him up, I had to go back and pick up the other one. So, oh my goodness, just time flew yesterday. I mean, I was so excited yesterday. I was so happy, and today I woke up and I feel like, yeah, I feel like crap, I guess you could say. So when you're feeling sick and you know, doing videos is not one of the things that you want to do. I am trying to move. I'm trying to not give into my body, and I know I need to rest, but I don't like to, I can't go to bed, not during the day. I've tried, and I'm lucky if I get a nap, and I can hear every noise, everything. Usually what I do, like the other day, I think, who was it? Cruz texted me on Instagram. She said, Judy from Scrapbook Loft was on live. I was surprised I actually took a nap. I had just woken up from a nap. What I do is cover my face and try to like not have any sunlight in my face or any light in my face, and I'm lucky when I take a nap. Anyway, so yeah, so it's just a story. My glue gun is not connected, so I will try to show you guys. I'm still cutting. Sorry, it's taking forever. Anyways, I just wanted to just show you guys how I do these bows. So anyways, you guys see that it's already cut. What I do, and I know I had seen this on somebody's YouTube a few months back. Basically connect these two first, connect those first, and sometimes with glue it's kind of a little hard to get it down right away. It'll probably go up again or undo. So hot glue, sometimes it's best when you want to make sure they stay down. So from here, do that, you connect them on here, and then see how I told you guys. Oh my goodness, I should have turned on my glue gun. Anyway, so it's just a little quick chit chat. Don't want to keep you guys here longer than what I have to keep you guys. So I'm just giving you just a little heads up. Like I said, I've been trying to join a few challenges, and I was supposed to make a list of everybody that is due this month so I could send those challenges out, or those entries out. I don't know, last month I was trying to do the same thing, and I didn't get to many of them. I didn't get to a lot of them, but I'm watching you guys, and I just what can I say? Things just come up. Things sometimes you don't feel well. Sometimes life gets in the way. Sometimes anyway. So just showing you guys this really quick, and voila, voila, voila. That's it. Anyways, hope you guys like my little mini tutorial. Like I said, I found this on Pinterest, and thank you guys for taking the time to watch and hearing me out. I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.